Hello, I'm Caroline Bateman, and this is an extremely quick video to give you a few tips and tricks of how to use YouTube when you're wanting to learn. If you know this already, I apologize, but I just thought I'd put something quick together. So first of all, I'd really recommend using full screen mode. This is particularly useful when you've got small um, menu options and you can see what's going on. So it gives you a better view. And to come out of full screen mode, you press escape. Now, obviously, we press play to get started and we can change the volume here, but I'll keep it down. So that's gone to mute, but if I want to unmute, I just click. So let me mute again. Now, the beauty of using videos to learn is you can stop and start at any time. And so if you've missed something, you can rewind. Now, rather than pulling this pointer back and forth, sometimes it's easier to use the arrow keys. And I'm going to use the arrow keys and you're going to see how it's going to jump back. So I'm currently 20 seconds into this video, but I press the arrow key while I'm on pause and it goes to 15 seconds, 10 seconds, or I can go forward 15 seconds, 20 seconds. So I find that incredibly useful. Something else, if you go into settings, you can change the speed. So if somebody is talking too slowly, then you can change the speed so you can watch things much quicker. And I often do this. So I can find that the part where is most important. So you can go much quicker or a little bit quicker or double speed. But I'm going to put it back to normal for now. What I will say is this works when you are on a desktop machine. The speed is not easy to change if you are on a tablet. I hope you find these tips helpful as you watch my sneak preview and all the other great resources that are on YouTube.